What's up guys, and welcome to the official first look at the heart that runs the beast. Yes, you guys know what it means when I spit this line. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 that will power 70% of the Galaxy S22 models is finally officially here, and oh boy, it brings some insane power, but most importantly, its ability to unlock insane camera gains is the biggest leap of this chip. It's something that makes me very excited but also very worried at the same time whether Samsung can match this level or not. So yes, the camera ISP is the biggest leap of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. It's specifically made for the high resolution camera sensor. It can actually process 108 megapixel photos in just a second, which is a crazy speed compared to the previous chips. This explains why Samsung is using the same 108 megapixel camera sensor on the S22 Ultra, and it also explains Samsung's reasoning of enhancing the 108 megapixel mode, of course, all thanks to the new camera ISP with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. Samsung's 108 megapixel camera was never utilized to its fullest until now. This chip also brings 18-bit RAW photos. That's the highest RAW output you can get on a smartphone, with incredible details, 8K HDR video supported at 30 frames per second, with the ability to take 64 megapixel photos simultaneously, and best of all, my favorite, night mode is up to 5 times better than Snapdragon 888. Looking at all these camera ISP improvements, I just really hope that Samsung brings a similar level ISP to its Exynos 2200 chip. The second biggest improvement of this chip is definitely the GPU. It's now 30% faster with 25% power efficiency compared to last generation. It also brings some new console level features such as the Adreno Frame Motion Engine, which allows the GPU to render a game at double the frame rate while using the same amount of power. Qualcomm also partnered with some of the largest game developers out there to ensure that their games brings the best out of their hardware. As for the CPU, it's 20% faster than Snapdragon 888 while being 30% power efficient. It's utilizing the latest ARM v9 architecture, 4nm process, and Cortex X2 core clocked at 3 GHz. Qualcomm also finally brings the X65 5G modem, which brings up to 30% faster 5G speeds compared to the previous generation, which is just absolutely incredible. Overall, it seems like Qualcomm has nailed the game set for 2022, and literally they have captured every single smartphone flagship brand out there. Their chip will be powering all the Android flagship goodness in 2022, including the Galaxy S22 series. The only thing to wait for now is Samsung's response with its Exynos 2200 with AMD GPU for the first time in history. It has to bring something incredible to the table. We'll hear something official from Samsung or AMD later down this month or in early January of next year. Also in the news, we have the official wallpaper for the Galaxy S22 series, and these are not looking that much different compared to last generation's wallpaper. It honestly feels like they just changed the hue of the old wallpapers and just called it a day. Now last but not the least, one of the most important key things about the next generation performance is actually the heat management. According to the news coming from the supply chain, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will utilize vapor chamber cooling for its heat management. This is obviously nothing new. We have seen this before in Samsung's previous flagship phones as well as on the competition. Let's hope the solution can manage the heat well with the next generation processors. So that's all the latest news. Let me know what you think in the comment section below regarding Qualcomm's next big thing, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 officially here for the Galaxy S22 series as well as the competition's flagship phone. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.